All right, here we go. Kendra gets a paycheck of $300 for 5 days of work. She definitely doesn't live in Mountain View. How much does she get paid for working 24 hours? All right, how about we divide these? Okay, how much do you think she earns per day? Nicely done, $60 for 1 day of work. But we want to know how much for 24 days. Yes, you're right. Multiply. Put yourself in her shoes. You know, people want to get paid. So for 24 days of work, all I did was multiply across. We need to do 60 times 24. All right. So I'm going to do that over here just to show that I can. Okay. You can punch it in if you like. 0 times 4 is 0. 6 times 4 is? Nice. 24. Put a 0. Now let's multiply everything by 2. 0 times 2 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, add it up. Sorry, we've got Princess and the Frog playing in the background. All right, so the answer is 1,440. Actually, that's a pretty good paycheck. All right, $1,440 is how much you'll get paid for 24 days worth of work. Nice job, Kendra. All right, Tim installs 50 square feet in 45 minutes. So let's put it 50 square feet per 45 minutes. Okay. At this rate, how long does it take for 495? Well, can we reduce this? Yes. What can we divide both by? Excellent. 5 is their GCF. That's the most goated number, the greatest common factor. All right, 50 divided by 5 is 10. Okay, I'm just gonna put the, I'm gonna put what it is with it. So 10 square feet and 45 divided by 5 is 9 minutes. Okay, we wanna know how much for 495 square feet. Wow, all right, so I know that 10 times 49.5 would give me 495 square feet. Check me on a calculator if you wish. Now, we need to multiply 9 times 49.5. Well, let's do it, okay? I mean, what else do you have to do? This is great. Good use of time. 5 times 9 is 45. 9 times 9 is, do the finger trick. Yep, 81 plus 4, 85. Carry the 8. 4 times 9 is 36 plus 8 is, drum roll please, 44. Okay. Now, the decimal point should only have one number behind it because there's one number behind it in the problem. So it's going to take Tim 445 and 5/10 minutes to do 495 square feet. All right, now let's see. Taylin buys 5 ounces, and don't ask me why it's OZ, I know, for $2.35. At this rate, how much does she need to buy 12 ounces? Okay, now typically money always goes on top, like when you go to a shop or you own your own business later on. So let's go ahead and put it on top. $2.35 per 5 ounces of tea. All right, we want to know how much for 1 first. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and divide. I'm going to put money on the inside, $2.35, 5 ounces on the outside. Okay, ignore the decimal point for right now. Can 5 go into 2? No. Can 5 go into 23? And I just lined up the decimal point with this one. Yes, it can. How many times? 5 fits inside of 23 4 times. The product of 4 and 5, or 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, and we're left with trace. Bring down cinco, or the 5. How many times does 5 fit inside of 35? Good job. 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay. All right, so 47 cents. Okay. For 1 ounce, but we're interested in 12 ounces. So what do we need to do? You got it. Times 12. Okay. We know the bottom's 1 times 12. Yeah, 12 ounces. Good job. And then this one, you can use a calculator or you can do it for Al Diddy. All right, let's go ahead and multiply it. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 0 times 2, yeah. All right, put a 0 because now we're going to multiply everything times the tens place. Well, it's just 1, so I'm going to copy down 0, 4, 7. Okay. The most important thing when you do this is make sure you line it up. All right, now let's add. 4, the sum of 9 and 7 is 16. 1 plus 0 plus 4 is 5. Okay. Where should the decimal point go? You're right. It should go here because you've got 2 numbers behind the decimal point in the problem, so we need 2 numbers behind the decimal point in the answer. All right, so it's going to cost $5.64 for 12 ounces of tea, which makes sense if only 1 ounce is about 50 cents. Great. All right, move.